I'd say that's cleaned up. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Did you already say everything that you know so far that was wrong or wasn't wrong with the car?
No. It broke a lot of stuff. It's not as bad as it could have been, right? No. Got lucky on that, to be honest. It could have been worse. Could have been worse. Really could have. Ain't gonna complain too bad.
But you did have to, cause on the what we posted the other day, you said it looks like the transmission was good, but you had to end up taking it out to Bowman.
Yeah, Roby sent us some parts. He got some parts coming. As soon as we get back, John Bowman will have it all good. He had to do some work on it, but it's coming. Right, Jim?
Yep. And mostly we just wanted him to take it apart so we could make sure everything was good. We have to replace it. The bearing of the very back of it that supports the yoke. Seal.
And what about the rear end?
It tightened up. There's something going on with it. Didn't break it. We thought it broke it, but it didn't break it. But it's tightened up over there.
So we'll take it out to John Bowman also and get him to look at it. See what's going on inside.
Nice.
So while you got it apart, you're just going to make everything look pretty again.
Yep. Might as well. It's all apart. At the time. Do all this tonight and sit and dry.
What do you got to do tomorrow?
Gotta go jigs, get the tubes, get brake lines. There's got the Heims. Gotta go get the Heims Monday. All the transmission parts should be back Monday. Should be good shape. That's the game plan.
And what's our goal? There's a few races in October that are pretty close to home. You're trying to get to once we get it together. This no prep is not going to beat us. We'll figure it out.
No.
We'll get it.
Take more than this to stop us. It's just a big old bump in the road.
Kicking our ass pretty good.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try to get it all put back together for a race October 8th at Dragway 42.
Yeah, that's what we're shooting for right now.
Short-term goal. And then the following weekend is Cincy Street Nights, Friday night.
Make her look pretty, Sue.
Yep.
And then there's a couple others we'll let you in on.
Might as well. Might as well since we got it apart.
Make it pretty.
And there's Sue. She just made us an awesome dinner of beef and noodles.
As always.
She makes sure that we are fed well.
Exactly. Put another coat on it and let it be. Then all the paint on paint and everything, then you gotta be careful putting it back together. Here we are, Sunday afternoon here, rolling in, going to do some work on a car, rolling in here. We got to go to AutoZone, so we're just on our way to AutoZone here in Pataskala. So we're getting ready to roll through Pataskala here. Nice little community we live in here at Pataskala, Ohio. Get some gasket maker, some rear def gear oil for it. Here you are pulling into the Greenhorn Hillbilly headquarters. Here we are at the shop. Old girl is sitting there. So today we're going to finish getting the rear end all together. So got it all repainted, everything. Got the calipers all ready to go on. Got the hats reshot. Got fortunate, didn't tear the gear up like we thought we did, but it tightened up real bad. So I don't know if a bearing's out of it or not. We got to get it checked up. So as you can see sitting here, we got it right here, but it's real tight. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's wrong with that. But goal today, as you'll see, is get the rear end all back together. Got some new heims coming for the ladder bars and everything. And we'll get the old Greenhorn Hillbilly back together here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. One side done. See, like I was talking about, we clock our axles and everything to make sure everything's in line. That way the weight swings the same. Kind of superstitious thing. A lot of guys do it though, but kind of keep everything in line on it. And then even when we put the wheels, I put the stems on the same place. So when you put air in it, if it's on the bottom, it's on the bottom. If it's on the top, it's on the top. It's just some old school stuff my dad taught me. So. Everything looking pretty nice. Okay, gonna put the new brake lines on it. Here we go. Yeah, that's, you know. So I told Kelly, I said, you and Sue need to go out and do some girl things.
Yeah. As soon as she gets Cody taken care of, you know? So you just have to screw in the brake lines and...
Yep. That's it. And then just screw them back into the deal, then we'll have to pump them and bleed them. We'll have to pump them and bleed them. It broke that one completely. Broke
Did
the
it
one.
just rip it off or just...
Yeah,
kick
it
off?
ripped it.
Cut it.
Cut it, ripped it off completely. And the other one, it pinched it.
No, I'm gonna go in for a little bit and give the baby snackies, because they were like...
Hey, Jim.
No snackies?
Oh, well, it's right here. Never mind, I can reach it. Sorry. I was gonna have you. I thought I grabbed the right one the first time. It's been okay. What?
That does help.
Oh, horse poo. It's one of those odd sized deals.
You wanna pass it around?
Yeah.
Shit, I know there was one out here.
It was somewhere, right?
Where'd y'all put it?
There you go, sir.
Thank you. Okay.
That didn't take long.
Huh?
That didn't take long.
Nope. Pretty easy just to put them on, you know?
Yep, absolutely.
Now hope they don't leak. Which I'm sure they won't, but didn't leak before, so why should they leak now, you know?
With our luck?
Yeah, no shit. Tell me, let's see what the way things are going right now.
Our luck?
Just a little recap of what we did here on the weekend. You got Goofball 1 just sitting there right now. We've had a pretty good production last few days. Got the rear end all back together. Got her looking spiffy. We painted her. Got it looking good. Got the new center section back in. Well, not new, but the spare center section had changed gears. But I think for the no prep, this one will work better. But for the Sega Racing, that one there, we'll have to get it fixed. It tightened up on us. We didn't break it, thank God, but it is tightened up. But like I said, we got the rear end all back together. It's looking pretty good. What do you think, Jim?
Looks good, nice and clean.
Yep. And then go down here. We got panhand bar already. Got the new brake lines on it. They're all good. Notched the body things just a little bit there where it got into them every once in a while. But as you can see underneath the car, everything's clean, pretty much ready to go. See stock floorboards and everything in it. Till you get to right there, then we did put a new truck pan in it. But Got the new brake lines where it broke those. So they're sitting there. And get the springs ready to go back in. Shocks are sitting over there. Just got to change the oil in the car. And then we also got the ladder bars all painted and done. Got them all ready to go. We got the new Heims ordered. They'll be in here. As you can see there where it broke the Heims. So get them ready to go. But we had a pretty good few days. It's getting closer. We should have it all ready. Got to go by the end of the week. We did tear up the output shaft on the transmission. Got it filed. It's over, called Roby up at G-Force. He did get us parts we needed. There should be in tomorrow. The transmission's out at John Bowman's. And we should be in pretty good shape. Don't you think, Jim?
Yes, sir.
Yep, and that's about what we got going on here in the Greenhorn Hillbilly. Thanks.